Record. So, dear friend, welcome to the first day of the self-esteem, self-love, self-confidence, self-discovery, whatever you call. At the end, it is yourself. So, you have to discover yourself into this particular program. So, welcome to this self-discovery program, and this is going to be a journey for the lifetime. This is going to be the journey for the what you can call, which will take you to the next level. So I hope so everybody knows about me. If you don't know, I'm Dr. Rakesh Deshpate, naturopathy doctor, alchemist in the field of Ikigai. Ikigai is discovering the purpose of your life, yoga entrepreneur, and wheel of life coach. So first day is first things to understand what is meant by the self-esteem before you go to this program. So today is the day 7/08/2020. Please remember this day because this program, this particular steps going to change your life forever. So what is self-esteem? See, a lot of time we know what is self-esteem, what is self-confidence, what is self-love, self-passion, self-life, everything this can come with a self. There is a more than hundreds of terms you can continue. But what is meant by self-esteem? See, self-esteem is nothing but believing in yourself. It is not depends on the spect of the world or somebody else. I love myself. So you will discover what is meant by the self-esteem, how is related with the confidence, how it's related with the self-love, how it related with the acceptance of yours as well as the others. You will learn all this part. So if I tell you believe in yourself, it will not work. You have to really believe in yourself. So we'll come to that point. See, before we go to that one, please I just want to give you the warm up, that's what. But we're going to do the action points where you will be really discover yourself. You will really discover what is exactly mean by you and your life and what you want, what exactly and why the self-esteem is low, or why something is wrong into the life, or why the life is not what exactly should be. See, this is a social mirror. See, this is like a beautiful story, or you can see that one. See, everybody's a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will be live its whole life believing it is stupid. Yes, and this happened. I'm really happy with the education system change and everything because this is what the education system is made. If you are not doctor, engineer, pilot, or somebody like like IS officer, IPS officer, you are nothing. It's nothing like that way. See, monkey has different strengths and weakness. Fish has different strength and weakness. Um, Lion has different strength and weakness. Like that way, each and individual person on this earth is a different, because first thing understand their ikigai, the purpose itself is different. Their strength and weaknesses given by the god, whatever they're supposed to do. But what exactly happened, we because of the social mirror, we always land up into doing something which is not passionate or resonant to us. So please just get the concept exactly. See, please remove this social mirror. If you done the restart program or you done the Gita program, one statement I will use: "Dunya gayi bhar mein." And I'm telling you, after this statement, my life is transformed completely. But to understand the statement, it took 20 years. I heard this statement into 99, 2000, but it took me to completely understand 20 years, and it's not matter now. So it is your life, it is you. So please remember this particular part. It's very, very important. Now, if I make you the self-esteem, if your self-esteem high, it will make you, and if your self-esteem is low, it will break you. And you are seeing that when 99.99% of our life is breaking because of the low self-esteem. See what happened whenever you have the high self-esteem, you talks about yourself positively. Then you have the high achievements in this area. Then that's create the positive perception of the self as well as the others, and you feel life is beautiful. Just live the life with 100%. Then you have the rewarding relationship. Then you have the improved self-confidence, and again you have the positive self-talk, and this high self-esteem cycle keep on going. But on the other hand, 96% people in the world have the low self-esteem. In USA, there is a studies done. I can give the whole statistics. Even the girls in the age of 10 to 14 have the low self-esteem because of their body. Because if they are overweight or not looking good or something, they have the low self-esteem, and low self-esteem is the most dangerous thing because that takes you to the suicidal items. See, the basis of the anxiety depression start with the low self-esteem. So what happened in the low self-esteem life cycle exactly? You talk about yourself negative. Oh, I'm not good for nothing. I can't do this one. Oh, life is not good. The government is not good. The earth is not good. The universe is not good. My relatives are not good. My friends are not good. The whole life is not good, not good, not good. Then what happened? Low achievements. People are so frustrated. People don't like you at all. Then negative perception of the self and the others. Why? See, if you are negative, you will see the whole world negative. See, it is your spec. Glass is half filled or half empty. We heard so many times, but even we know that one. But still, every time we see that glass is half empty, and that is a problem with the low self-esteem. But nobody talks about solution. I'm going to talk about you do how to increase it step by step and go to the very different level, and then like get that freedom, get that happiness, get that everything what you're missing in your life. So please understand, this is a beautiful cycle. This is a beautiful cycle. Then unhappy relationship, lack of self-confidence. See, self-confidence is directly proportional to the low self-esteem or the high self-esteem. Your self-confidence is depends on your self-esteem, how you see yourself. I went through this cycle, dear friends. I know. I just try to hide my own neurological problem by like a covering with the accident. Yeah, even I met with so many accidents. But what was the reason and what was the actual issue? And even after doctor is suspecting something, like it's not clear. But again, that is a low self-esteem, and I'll tell you that take out your energy because you are trying to show something that you are not, and that create the negative self-talk. Again, low achievement, and that cycle goes on. The life is become this life is become break completely gone. Nothing is there in the life. So search who are you first. And first step is that one to accept. If you are not authentic, accept you are not authentic. If you are telling lies every day, please accept you are telling lies every day. You are talking about yourself negative, please accept that you are talking negative about yourself first. If you are not happy in this life, please accept I am not happy in this moment, I am not happy in my life. Because only remedy can come or only solution can become when the problem is identified. Now, I given you the perspective about this course. What is self-esteem? How it's directly proportional to self-confidence? How is self-worth? This all self-worth will be related with this particular concept. So today we're going to do the first exercise we call as a who are you? Take your pen and take your notebook. We'll do it here only. See, this is one of the beautiful exercise given by one of my mentors. To him is given by his mentor. So this is where you will be understand now exactly where you are standing now. What is your negative talks? What is your current issues in the life? What is how you see the world? So take a breath. I want everybody to take a pen and your notebook. We are going to work now on your action point, and we are going to work on the current character set. See, I can give you a lot of motivational stories and beautiful this part, but no, I want you to take a charge of your life. I want you to really discover that one, why the self-esteem is low, why the life you are living the life the way you are living now, and how you can take it to the next level. So I will give you for 30 seconds for every question now, and we'll go with the 20 questions in the next 10 minutes. Please, if you understand the question, fine. If you don't understand the question, also fine. If you write something, also fine. If you don't write, also fine. Nothing to worry about you. But please take this one. Give the heading that current character, the life I'm living in this moment, my character set, my spec to see my life. That is what is current character set. Or how your current character, how you are living the life. So we have to answer these questions. So I'm giving you 30 seconds. Take your pen and get ready and do 9 types of deep inhalation and exhalation, and be authentic, 100% truthful. If you have some type of issues, please don't share this notebook with anybody. Keep it in a safe place. It is your own journey. Be honest. Be honest. So take a 30 seconds and get ready for the journey now. The more deep inhalation and exhalation you do, the body is get relaxed, mind is get open up, and you get honest with yourself. Honesty, integrity, truthful is the basis of discovering yourself. It is a self discovery. You don't know in 7 days what's going to happen you if you do the each and every exercise, each and every point I told you. Now the first questions in this one, write in your notebook. How will you describe yourself right now? You have to describe yourself right now. What is mean by right now to describe yourself? See, if you ask me now, I have a positive self-image about me. Definitely, there is some negative self-image also. Definitely, if you ask me, I'll tell you that I am, like a ikigai alchemist. I am a very happy person in this earth. I am a knowledgeable person. I am a very powerful. I do all these things and everything. But when it comes to my walking problem, it's come to my neurological issue. It's come to the little bit of my career issue. There are some negative talks now. But when you write, you get the perspective. When you write, you get the clarity. And then you get the solution also. The universe helps you. So now take next 1 minute I'm giving you for this question. Write whatever comes in your mind. Just describe yourself. Just describe yourself. I'm happy to go person, or I'm a worrying person. Whatever is there, it is your state. What is your characteristics? How you are your living your life? How utilizing your 24 hours in a day? You can write in the 2 pages. So write whatever comes to your mind. Afterwards, leave the 2 pages empty. Write whatever comes to your mind. Just beautifully relax and try to write whatever comes to your mind. This is what your self discovery, to find out exactly what life you are living now. Now here one important things, please write into corner, you have the low self-esteem or high self-esteem. You have the positive self-image about you or negative self-image about you. See, like if you're talking about your weight, you're talking about your diseases, you're talking about your family problem, you're talking about your kids, you're in a complaining nature, please understand the issue is the self-esteem and self-confidence. So ensure that when you write there, as of now, my self-esteem and self-confidence is also low because of this particular life. If you are always talking about politics and if you are always talking about the complaining nature, then definitely there is a self-esteem issue and the self-confidence issue. Because see, like I'll tell you beautiful example of that one. The persons with the high self-confidence, high self-esteem, and the people who are actually achieved in their life. Means I'm talking about the 0.5% people in the world who actually afford to buy the BMW and this one. So see, this was all of the BMW, correct? So one of my like this is not my, this is a story I heard. See, somebody like asked to these BMW people. So, see, we see the advertisement for the all the vehicles and everything, but we don't see the mainly the advertisement for the this very 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 high cost vehicles. Then that person told you, see, the persons who sit in front of the TV don't afford to buy the BMW or the Audi or all these things. What is his meaning? The persons who waste his time in front of the TV whole day is not their customer base. So the persons who are actually high achievers and having the high self-esteem and high self-confidence, they don't waste their time in the very trivial activity. So whatever is you written, it is whole, complete and perfect, not to worry. Leave the 2 pages for this particular segment. Because you 7 days, you're going to write something. 2 pages means like 1, 2, 3, 4. Even you can release 3, 4 pages also. I don't mind, because I had at least 2, 3 diaries of created with this exercise. So please keep the space. You want to show what I written on everything, it is there in my diary in this self-esteem course. So like it's a beautiful part. Let me just show you. And I kept the space into that one. Where is the pages exactly? I just want to show you, but it's like a commitment. So keep the pages empty. See, this is what. This is my own this one. So I written my positive thinking thoughts. I love for what, I hate for what, and this all these things. And we're going to go these exercises deep slowly. So don't get overwhelmed. This is a difficult task, but describe yourself right now. Whatever you think, whatever is done is done. Go to 6. Where do you live? Means write down the city you live, write down the house you live, write down the address, write down something about the community surrounding you. Because see, that shows your state. Now, if you stays in your own house with all the luxurious things, that itself shows that one there is something good about you. But if you are staying into the something like a small house and you are not happy with your house, you are not like happy with the city you are living, and all these parts, please write that one. This is what this exercise is
Yes.
like. What happened? Please keep on yourself on the.
Lalechana.
Please keep yourself on the mute if you are this one. Please don't talk in between. These are the very deep exercises. Who is on the this one? I'm hearing some sound. Ensure that one, please, you are there. And I ask this person A6C C2 6TB. Who is this person? I'm just unmuting him exactly just to know that who is that one. Please talk.
Ishani.
Who is this A66 C62? Okay, fine. Okay, it's clear now. I asked so many times. So please inform that one ki, clarity should be there. Somebody join with the iPhone also now. Anyway, I'm just somebody actually break that sequence. So please ensure that one you are on the mute. You are on the mute. Please ensure that one you are on the mute. And you can even just observe my video and just don't get disconnected with anything, because it's a very deep exercise. See, a lot of time people will give this particular statement. Maybe it can available on the net also. These questions are given there also. But Nobody tell you what to write and how to write. Please understand this one. I done this exercise with 100 people already, and I tell you 95 out of that one not even understand what should write in there. I had at least 95 sheets, and not one time. Some people in my coaching system, I make this exercise multiple times. People even don't understand what to write. I am giving this opportunity to all of you to what to write. So please utilize this one. So where you live decide your life. Your house decides your current status. Your these things. See, somebody want to really be living into the 3 BHK, 4 BHK house and is living into the very small 1 BHK house or very small house. That itself it shows there is something is there. See, I'm not talking about the happiness now, but this is what your current status. See, please understand. You have to accept. Happiness is not lies with the materialistic things. But again, if you are complaining about that one, if you see that when the community is not good, the things are not good, there is a lot of like a stealing is happening, or the people are fighting every day, there is a lot of suicides are happening, something, these are very much important, and this affects your life. Actually, you accept or you don't accept. So write whatever come to your mind, and please remember, whenever I'm explaining the question, immediately start writing, because we maybe don't have that so much of time, but we have to cover all questions first round. And I'm going to give the video on the each every questions again and again for all of you, because this every questions can open up the different doors for all of you. Three questions. How much money do you make per month? Is like a slap on the face. Like I felt, like I am top of the world. But when I seen initially, maybe in a 8-9 month back, when I done this self-esteem course first time, I think so I done this self-esteem course on January. January, I run this course exactly, first course of the self-esteem. See, when you ask this type of questions or these character questions, see, this is a slap on the face. How much money do you really make per month? All the sources. If you are getting some passive income like a rent or something, see, even it is your ancestor property, it is okay. But what comes to your pocket? Your salary, your business ka profit, exactly what comes to you. Please write down properly in every aspect. What is your take home and everything? Even you want, you can create your financial statement. I'm going to talk about that one. It is a part of your journal writing program also, where we maintain the account. But here now, how much money do you make per month? Very simple question. Find out all the sources and write. As of now, just write. Whatever is the current situation is a current situation. But it will be open up. How many times you really think, oh, now it is a it's a COVID ticket, it's a pandemic time, people are losing the job. Even my like a lot of people got a salary cut actually. Some people in my coaching group actually they got a salary cut actually. At least I seen a lot of people. So that salary cut, and they still continue that work, and they're doing more work now than they're doing the previously, because they want to save their job. But now, did you see your salary cut 20-30% is going to affect your each and every area of the life now? But write it now. So now nothing to be judgmental, nothing to do it down. Just write this one. How do you currently present yourself? How do you look? Now this questions comes. I told you I have a lot of positive image about myself and lot of positive even created. I don't bother about my own walking problem, or I don't bother about my issues or health issues or whatever is there. I am bluntly open up. I talk bluntly about my own life, private life, personal life, and everything. People take some time in wrongly also, but I don't bother about. But how do you currently present yourself is very important. When I ask you describe yourself, people actually get confused. Means like what talk about myself, but how you present yourself. If you talk about a disease, you'll get a disease. If you talk about a positive, you'll get a positive. If you talk about something creative, creativity will come up. And how do you look? It's a very important question, because self-esteem is directly proportional to your look. When I done the statistics and the research, I find out this look parts creates a biggest issue in the life. I have some people in, like that lady who is joined my program just because of the look. A lot of people come to me because of the weight loss, because I am the one of the best weight loss trainer into the India. Not only India, I'll tell you, I'm one of the best in the world actually. Only thing is that I not done my marketing and advertisement. Like just joining my program, you're asking this customer just joining my program, not even following the very vigorous schedule. People lost 7-8 kgs into 3 months just holistically. There is a lady in this group actually asked her, she lost 20 kgs weight. She met me in 2018, and it is constantly used. Her self-esteem change, her self-confidence change, her life is changed. You can check with them exactly. So this is very important. The moment you are fat and you are unhappy about that one, finish. Like a wife is there and husband told, oh, you look like a little bit fat. The wife ka whole things is gone, whole life is gone. Or your friends talks about your weight, life is gone, finish. Life is gone, finish. So how do you look? It's very important. I look handsome or I look ugly, that is your choice. There is nothing lies on the outside. See, this is your image. How you look, it's your part. How you look yourself first is important. But anyway, now do you currently present yourself? That is important. How you present to others and how do you look? Please understand these are the very important questions. So write whatever comes to your mind now, one line, two line, it is, but just write at least one line, one word, at least one word. If you feel you look ugly, please write down ugly. That is the current situation. That is your present talk. Like it's, that is what you describe yourself. See, you have to fall in love with yourself before others fall in love with you. You have to present, you have to feel that you are the best in the world before people talk. You are the best in the world, my dear friend. So please understand, this is very important questions. Write down in a detail. Means, are you look a tall? Are you look a fat? Are you look a handsome? Are you look a beautiful? Are you look a young? If you ask me, I written my vision in that one. I told you that one. After 5 years, I will look like a 25 years with the six pack and the beautiful image and jumping on this one and taking the, like a somersault and everything. That's what vision I'm creating myself. Today, if you see, if I talk with the doctor, doctor will be laugh. But that's what the vision I'm creating. And now, a lot of positive self-image is created now. That's what I'm thank, and that's what I give 101% in my each and every program, because I change myself. So please remember this one. What is your personality test profile? So now this is one exercise we done. A lot of people done here Prism and they know about this text, and we done this one even in Ikigai 1.0. And I asked to do this test every 16, 15 days, 20 days. Free test is there. Prism is a costly test, but 16personalities.com is a free test. So please take this test again. Even you done it, please one time. This will be open up a lot of aspects in your life to know what you are exactly. Like there is a people, some people are very creative, some people are very empathetic, some people are very aggressive, some people are very analytical. So you'll get your own perspective, what type you are exactly in current situation. I'll tell you, my Prism test is changed in last 1 year exactly. My goal was very less, means like analytical part was quite less, but now in last 3-4 months purposefully I work on that one, and it is increased by 20%. So please, nothing is fixed. Your brain has the something called as a neuroplasticity. Your brain changes. You can create a changes into your brain. You can change the creator in your life. But take this today, this one now, not now. This will be take around 15 minutes. Please invest that 15 minutes if you really want to take a charge of your life. 6th question. What are your current binary poles? Without thinking, without doing anything, just answer to me these particular questions. Are you a logical or intuition? You are logical or intuitive. Logical means every time before joining any course, if I tell you liver cleansing is the best program, please join it. Only 2 hours, 251 rupees. Only 15 people offer is there. Some people will jump and join. So there is called as the intuitive people. But somebody will decide, okay, can I do it or not? Okay, I have liver problem or not? Did I drink the alcohol or not? I take the medicine or not? These are the logical people. They will be whole life will be goes into the logical part. I'm not telling anything good or bad. Whatever you are, you are. So are you logical or intuitive? I'm an intuitive person. I will jump immediately. I will not even think anything. So that's what I told you, because that's what logic was missing initially. I tried to include that one in my part. Then very important question, tightly with money or lose with money? Means some people actually who like earn 10,000 but they are ready to spend 11,000, and some people are there, they will earn even 1 lakh but they will not even spend 10,000. I'm not talking about a stingy, but whenever you want to spend the money, how you look and what you do. So you are tight with money or you are loose with money? You are tight with money or you are loose with money? Just write down. Then you are masculine or feminine? I find out this one. See, masculine is the people who are like a very tough, means they are not so emotional, but even you are the man, but you can be emotional. So for me, if you ask me, I am more of the feminine nature. People looks me like a very aggressive sometimes, but initially and internally I'm a very emotional person. So that is happen. So please write discipline, undisciplined. I am very disciplined person. So undisciplined, discipline, you have to decide what you are. Discipline means you are the very structures, you are the, like you live your life with this one, you follow your commitment, integrity, honesty and everything. That is part of the discipline. You are sensible or silly? These questions I'm not able to understand properly, because sensibility means, like where you really, really, like sometimes I feel, I purposefully do the silly things exactly, wherever is required a silly things, like a sensible. It is like somebody dies, you are going to their funerals and you are talking about some joke. So it is sensible or silly, I don't know exactly. So that is what there. So find out you are sensible or silly. Just write down whatever is there. Are you organized or deorganized? I am a very organized person. Everything will be organized. If you see, even my table will be organized, my diary will be organized, everything will be organized. You are organized or deorganized. If you throw everything and you don't know and you keep on searching for the key, if you ask me even what I put 1 years back, I can tell you. So that is called the organized person. You are shy or outgoing. I'm outgoing. Please find out yourself. You know very better. So you are shy or outgoing, just write it. Artistics and creative, or logical and pursue. So if you ask me, I am a very creative person, too much creative. I can create a 5 courses in this particular one course. So, and not only courses, I can do the creativity keywords, but just search, find out what you do. You are nature oriented or polluted city oriented. I like a nature, but there is a big gap between what I like and what I'm living now. That's what I told you. Next 2-3 years, my life is going to take another U-turn. I'm going to go to the nature, 100% in the nature. You are playful or serious. I'm a playful. I never get serious easily. You are healthy, unhealthy. Now, if you ask me, I took a test on my life book and that shows me very healthy exactly. But still, I have some things which is actually hold me back. So please remember, if you have some disease or something, please write down you are unhealthy. So even my test shows me healthy, but still I felt somewhere something is missing. You are an early riser or night owl. I am an early riser. 3:51 is a time. You are science oriented or religion. I am very much a religion oriented. If you ask me to read the science book or you read the religion book, I will prefer this one. Meditation and spirituality versus money and the cigars. Nowhere in my life money and cigars plays the important role. Whole my life is meditation and spirituality. I done the 11 days Vipassana for around 11 times, Satipatthana and all these courses. So in my life, at least 150 days, I was in an absolute perfect silence where I didn't talk even a single word. Giving to others or selfish to myself. I believe on the giving to others. That's why in my whole community, my whole system, magic of giving emoji project is there. So I ensure that 10% has to be go for charity. Sometimes it's not happen, so I cover that one into the next month or some next month. So please remember. So you are, a lot of people are selfish to themselves, and some people are so selfish they don't give themselves also. Think more about the past or think more about the future. If you ask me now, I am the person who can just create the visualization. I go to the future. See, a lot of future, whatever I'm living now, I was blaming that one, like my past things, which is not actually given me something. What I done so many courses, I done so many workshops, seminar, they don't help. But when I was just went back and I see, even in Vipassana, I have to create my future. And if you ask me now, I am living that future exactly. So I'm a future oriented person. Okay, charity or greed, I told you again, it is against related to this selfishness. So I'm a charity oriented person, not a greed. Loud or quiet? I'm a quite loud. I'm not a quiet person. I will be straight, honestly straightforward, and I will tell everything clearly there. Then bold and well presented or understated means like you are like a shy internal. See, like somebody insult you, but still you keep inside. That is the understated person. Or bold and well presented. I am bindas. I don't bother about that one. So this is the question. Please remember. So this you have to answer. Now take me stop here now. Please answer these 6 questions today. Answer these 6 questions today. I will create the video for these 6 questions and I will back to you. So this is the first day part. So I just want to stop here exactly because we are already reached the time. I don't want to exceed the time. But if anybody has the burning questions or something, please put that one into our this particular part, means particular group. So thank you very much. And I'm going to send you the again 6 videos in a today's day, 7 videos for the 7 questions. Please do this exercise again and again. I will recommend to do it again for 5 minutes. Please take back and answer these 6 questions, 7 questions again. How many we cover? 6 or 7? How many questions we cover?
6.
6. Okay. So